Hello students, welcome to one more exciting assignment key session. Students, in this session, I would like to discuss with you an assignment key with the help of some examples. What is Golgi apparatus? A Golgi apparatus, how can you define a Golgi apparatus? A Golgi apparatus is nothing but it is one of the important cell organelle which is made up of three different types of cup-shaped structures. Cup-shaped structures. So these cup-shaped structures are called as a cisternae. These cup-shaped structures are called cisternae. Okay. So each and every Golgi apparatus, it is having 4 to 8 different cisternae which are considered as functional units of Golgi apparatus. Clear? So a Golgi apparatus are nothing but membranous tube-like structures that are having cup-shaped structures called cisternae. Each and every Golgi apparatus is having 4 to 8 cisternae. How many are there? 4 to 8 cisternae. Going for next question, students. What are the functions of Golgi apparatus? Yes. Golgi apparatus major function is they helps in the packing of food materials. Packing of food materials. The food materials are packed or gathered with the help of Golgi apparatus. Even the Golgi apparatus modify proteins. The Golgi apparatus modifies proteins and lipids into glycoproteins and glycolipids. So here basic function of Golgi apparatus is they are helping in the packing of food materials. Clear? Now one more thing is the Golgi apparatus are present near to the nucleus and they helps in the modifying of proteins and lipids into proteins are modifying into glycoproteins, lipids are modifying into glycolipids. Okay, going for next question. Name the scientist who discovered Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus are experimentally discovered by a scientist namely Sir Camillo Golgi. So because of his name, the apparatus is called as a Camillo Golgi apparatus. So how these Golgi apparatus helps in the packing of food materials? Amino acids are packed or proteins are packed into some certain kind of structures. Then later on, cells are packed into tissues are packed into different organs. Like in this kind of packing food materials or cells, Golgi apparatus plays an important role. Going for next question, students. Golgi body is found in eukaryotes that are absent in they are absent in the sperm cells. Human sperm cells or animal sperm cells do not have Golgi apparatus. Eggs are absent. Mature sieve tubes of a plant phloem tissue. Plants are having phloem tissue that are made up of sieve tubes. Even sieve tubes are also not having the same kind of Golgi apparatus. So suitable answer is option 4, all of the above. Going for fifth question. Golgi body modifies proteins and lipids into. Suppose take the proteins. Proteins are modified into glycoproteins. Proteins are modified into glycoproteins. Lipids are modified into glycolipids. Lipids are modified into glycolipids. So like this, some modifications are done by the Golgi apparatus. Going to sixth question, students. Identify the X in the given figure. So you know very well in between nucleus, here it is a nucleus. What is this structure? It is a nucleus. Below the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum is there. Below the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus. So it is having 4 to 8 cisternae. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 to 8 cisternae are present in each uh, Golgi apparatus. So the given figure contains Golgi apparatus, that is mentioned as an X. Clear, students? This is an exciting assignment key for this session. Remaining we are going to discuss in the further classes. Until be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.